Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Colorado declares disaster emergency as presumptive bird flu outbreak hits facility with 13 chickens. Colorado Lieutenant Governor Dianne Primavera declared a disaster emergency for a massive outbreak of highly pathogenic avian influenza, HPAI, or bird flu in Weld County, Colorado. The Colorado Department of Agriculture reported a presumptive positive test for HPAI at an egg-laying facility in the county that houses 1.3 million chickens. There was a previous outbreak of HPAI in Weld County in July 2024, affecting 3 commercial poultry facilities with a total of nearly 3.4 million chickens. The disaster declaration activates the state emergency operations plan and authorizes the use of disaster emergency funds and resources to assist with the response, recovery, and mitigation efforts. At the time of the declaration, the Lieutenant Governor was acting as governor while the governor was attending a Colorado River negotiation meeting in Washington, D.C., rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. /speak